In today's video, I'm going to teach you some effective ways to create a toggle list in Google Sheets. Whether you're aiming to add a simple checkbox system or a dynamic yes/no dropdown, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about using checkboxes. They're a simple and intuitive way to create a toggle list. To get started, you'll want to select the cells where you want this toggle feature to appear. With those cells highlighted, navigate to the Insert menu and select Checkbox. You'll see checkboxes pop up in your selected cells, ready to be toggled on and off. Now, if you'd like to customize the values your checkboxes represent, you can do that too. You'll want to select those cells containing your checkboxes and head over to Data, then choose Data Validation. A sidebar will open up, and here you'll want to check the option that says Use Custom Cell Values. This allows you to define what appears when the box is checked, such as the word yes, and what appears when it's unchecked, maybe no. It's a neat way to tailor your sheet to your needs. To take it a step further, consider using conditional formatting or formulas. This allows you to change the appearance of the row or cell when the checkbox is toggled. For instance, you could make the text bold or change the color to indicate a completed task or an active choice. You can access these options by clicking Format, then going to Conditional Formatting. From there, set up rules based on your checkbox cell, say A2, to dynamically adjust how your sheet looks based on those toggled decisions. Now, let's explore another method, using a yes/no dropdown. These can be just as powerful and are perfect for situations where a simple binary choice is needed. Begin by selecting the cells where you want the drop-down toggle to be. Once those are highlighted, head over to the Data menu and again, choose Data Validation. This time, under Criteria, opt for List of Items. In the text box provided, you can type yes, no, or any other options you're considering. Hit Save, and voila! Your drop-down is now active, offering a streamlined selection method. For even more flexibility, you can make your drop-down refer to a range where your yes/no values are stored. This is particularly useful if you think you might change the list in the future, as any updates to the range will automatically reflect in your drop-down, keeping everything synchronized without extra effort. Lastly, just like with checkboxes, you can apply conditional formatting to your drop-downs. This allows you to style the cells differently depending on whether yes or no is selected. It's another nice touch to make your toggle list visually distinct and intuitively understandable. And that's it. By following these methods, you can easily create a toggle list in Google Sheets, tailoring it to meet your specific requirements for clarity and functionality. Thanks for watching and happy toggling.